In nature, every creature is a marvel of design shaped by evolution for survival. From the shark's serrated teeth to the eagle's powerful talons, each feature is a tool, perfectly suited to its owner's way of life. The cheetah's body is built for speed, the giraffe's neck for reaching high leaves, and the woodpecker's beak for hammering wood. These adaptations are not random. They're solutions to life's challenges, refined over millions of years. We expect predators to have sharp claws, herbivores to have grinding teeth, and animals to look the part they play in their ecosystem. This predictability helps us understand the natural world, and even make sense of fossils from the past. But sometimes nature throws us a curveball, a creature so strange it breaks all the rules. These rare exceptions force us to rethink what we know about evolution and adaptation. They remind us that the natural world is full of surprises, and that every so often, a new discovery can upend everything we thought we understood. One such creature stands out as a true enigma. It's a dinosaur that defies expectations, a puzzle that has fascinated scientists for decades. Meet Therizinosaurus, a gentle giant with the most terrifying claws in history. Its story challenges everything we know about nature's perfect tools. Imagine a peaceful, plant-eating dinosaur. Now give it claws longer than a man's arm. This is Therizinosaurus, a herbivore with the most formidable claws ever discovered. These meter-long scythes seem out of place on a gentle giant, more fitting for a predator than a leaf eater. Why would a vegetarian need such fearsome weapons? The claws weren't serrated like a raptor's, but straight and pointed, deepening the mystery. Therizinosaurus lived among giants and predators, yet it wielded armaments that defy simple explanation. Its existence challenges our assumptions about how evolution shapes animals. Was it a peaceful browser, or something more? Each new fossil is a clue, but the question remains: what was a gentle plant eater doing with claws that could terrify any predator? Therizinosaurus is a puzzle box from the past, daring us to solve its riddle. The mystery began in 1948, when Soviet Mongolian scientists unearthed colossal, flattened claws in the Gobi Desert. With no skeleton, they guessed these belonged to a giant prehistoric turtle, perhaps harvesting seaweed with its massive scythes. The name Therizinosaurus cheloniformis, scythe lizard, turtle-formed, captured this confusion. For years, textbooks pictured a huge aquatic reptile paddling through ancient waterways. But this theory rested on little more than the claws themselves. The Gobi Desert, rich in fossils but stingy with answers, kept its secrets. Science is a process of discovery and revision, and the giant turtle was just a first bold guess. The real story of Therizinosaurus was still buried, waiting for more evidence. This misidentification is a reminder. In science, the first answer is rarely the last. The truth, as it turned out, would be even stranger than fiction. The desert was holding on to the rest of the story. The turtle theory held for years, until new fossils in the 1970s changed everything. Scientists found not just claws, but limbs and a pelvis. Bones that clearly belonged to a dinosaur, not a turtle. Therizinosaurus was a theropod, a group known for meat eaters like T-Rex and Velociraptor. But this theropod had a small, beaked skull and leaf-shaped teeth, perfect for plants, not flesh. It was a plant eater descended from carnivores, a radical evolutionary twist. Its pot-bellied torso housed a long digestive tract for breaking down tough vegetation. Its long neck let it reach high branches, much like a giraffe. The reclassification from turtle to plant-eating dinosaur was a triumph of scientific inquiry. Therizinosaurus became a symbol of how new evidence can overturn old ideas. Yet, one mystery remained. Why did this peaceful herbivore keep and exaggerate the terrifying claws of its predatory ancestors? Evolution had rewritten its story, but the claws still begged for explanation. The puzzle had only deepened. With its identity clear, scientists could finally reconstruct Therizinosaurus. Picture a giant, 16 feet tall and over 30 feet long, weighing more than 5 tons. It walked upright on 2 legs, with a long neck and a small beaked head for snipping leaves. Its wide, pot-bellied torso hints at a complex digestive system for processing plants. Fossils suggest it was covered in downy feathers, adding to its bizarre appearance. But the most striking feature, those enormous meter-long claws on powerful arms. These weren't just ornaments, they were tools, or perhaps weapons attached to strong, swinging limbs. Therizinosaurus looked like a mashup of different animals, a feathered giant with a giraffe's neck, a bird's beak, and a sloth's claws. Imagine it moving through a Cretaceous forest, stripping leaves with its beak, claws gleaming in the sunlight. It was a gentle giant, yet armed like a killer, a living contradiction. This strange combination makes Therizinosaurus a favorite among dinosaur fans and scientists alike. It's a testament to evolution's creativity and unpredictability. Therizinosaurus is a prehistoric puzzle, assembled from the most unlikely pieces. So what were those claws for? The leading theory? Feeding? As a massive herbivore, Therizinosaurus needed to eat a lot. Its claws may have been perfect for gathering food. Picture it using its long arms to hook branches and pull them close, raking in leaves with ease. The claws weren't sharp for cutting, but ideal for grabbing and pulling. This made Therizinosaurus a super efficient forager, able to reach food others couldn't. The claws might have also helped dig for roots or tear apart logs for insects, making it an occasional omnivore. Their size and strength suggest they were versatile tools for interacting with the environment. Evolution had turned a predator's weapon into a farmer's tool. The claws were key to its survival, helping it thrive in a competitive world. Sometimes the most fearsome features serve the gentlest purposes. But in a world of predators, could the claws have been for defense? Therizinosaurus lived alongside giants like Tarbosaurus, a tempting target for any hunter. Those massive claws could have been a powerful deterrent, capable of inflicting serious wounds. Even if not used often, their presence alone might have made predators think twice. Survival often means looking too dangerous to attack. There's another possibility display. In many animals, exaggerated features attract mates or intimidate rivals. Therizinosaurus's claws may have been used in social rituals, with the biggest or brightest claws winning attention. Sexual selection can push traits to extremes, far beyond what's needed for survival. The claws could have been both weapons and billboards, tools for survival and for show. Therizinosaurus's life may have been filled with foraging, defense, and dazzling displays. The truth about Therizinosaurus's claws is likely a blend of all these theories. They were multi-purpose tools for gathering food, for defense, and for social display. Nature rarely settles for a single solution when one feature can solve many problems. Therizinosaurus is a lesson in evolution's complexity, a carnivore's descendant turned gentle giant, armed with the weapons of its ancestors. It reminds us that the past was as strange and surprising as the present. Even after decades of study, Therizinosaurus remains a beloved mystery. Each new fossil adds a clue, but the full story may always elude us. That sense of wonder is what makes it so compelling. In a world obsessed with answers, Therizinosaurus stands as a monument to nature's enduring secrets. Its story is not just a puzzle to solve, but a marvel to behold. The scythe lizard is a gift from the deep past, a reminder that nature will always surprise and inspire us.
Thanks for watching.